Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by exposing the spring quickly and safely. Remove only the panels blocking access and keep the rest intact. Once done, support the assembly with a jack or stand so the spring is unloaded, and note its orientation and any preload position. Make sure to photograph or mark the mounting points for reassembly. You are assessing for visible damage, wear, or loose hardware. This evaluation dictates whether tightening, shimming, or replacement is required. You now stabilize the spring. First, loosen adjacent bolts a fraction to relieve any trapped tension, then address the mounting bolts. Tighten them evenly, alternating sides so the spring seats properly. Once seated, add shims to take up any axial play or apply a drop of thread locker to prevent recurrence. Make sure to maintain alignment and clearances so coils don't rub. After adjustments, slowly lower the support and observe how the spring settles under load to confirm it's secure and seated. Finish by testing the spring under normal load and cycling the mechanism 10 to 20 times, watching for movement, noise, or reloosening. If problems persist, re-inspect the mounts and hardware. Often a worn bushing or elongated hole is the culprit and requires replacement rather than more tightening. As a key troubleshooting step, use a feeler gauge to measure any gaps. If you find more than 0.5 mm, add shims or replace the part. Finally, retorque fasteners to spec and perform a final safety check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.